Recording in progress. Okay, Annie. Good morning, everyone. Online students, can you hear my voice? Say yes or no to me once. Right. Yesterday, I'm trying to explain this interface concept. Interface is a collection of variables and abstract methods, variables, abstract methods, and concrete methods from Java 8 version onwards. Up to Java 7, interface can hold only variables and abstract methods, but cannot hold concrete methods. That's the meaning of it. Sir, abstract method means what? The methods which are declared without method body, we call it as abstract methods. The structure will look like this: abstract keyword, return type, method name, and parameter list. Opposite to abstract methods, we call it as concrete methods. The methods which are declared with method body, we call it as concrete methods. So here method name, you know already concrete methods. Then I started some rules. I started writing to you. Whenever I'm writing some notes, I'm comparing with the class and I'm writing always. Okay, right? We use interface keyword to declare interfaces. Interface keyword to declare interfaces. Yesterday I took one interface. Here one variable. Here's some methods. We use interface keyword to declare interfaces. The programming components which are declared within the interface are automatically public. Whatever the variables we declare here, whatever the methods we declare here, they're automatically public. If you don't write public also, they are public. For comparison purpose, whatever the programming components you declared within the class, without any access modifier, they are considered as default. The statement I recorded here. The programming components which are declared within the class without any access modifier are automatically default. Now, interface can be declared with both primitive and non-primitive data type variables. You can write both variables. Whatever the variables we declared within the interface, they are automatically static and automatically final. Static means they'll get the memory within the interface while interface loading and can be accessed with the interface name. That is static. Final variable means the variables must be initialized with some value. Some value you must give it. Once initialized, cannot be modified. That is the nature of your final variables. Final variables, you can call it as constant variables, or you can say secured variables, you can say. It's a statement. Can we declare non-static variables within the interface? If anybody asked, then you must say, we cannot declare non-static variables within the interface because they're automatically taken as in static variables. It's a theory. Then we started methods. I stopped it. The methods which are declared within the interface are automatically non-static abstract methods. Non-static abstract methods. Non-static abstract method means there is no concept of a static abstract method. If you write any abstract method with a static keyword, compilation error will come. Means grammatical error. Interface can be declared with any number of abstract methods, no restriction. So there I stopped. Finally, in our example, yesterday, we took one interface. We took one interface. Interface name is iTest. Here I took one variable k I taken. I took one method, display 1 and display 2. Now these two methods are abstract methods. So they are abstract methods. Right. Now let us create object for iTest OB equal to new iTest. Because methods are non-static methods, no, we are trying to create object. Now go for main class here. Under P2, new class demo interface 1. So import P1 dot star. We import create object for interface. iTest OB equal to new iTest. See there, error will come. So why error means we cannot create object for interfaces directly. Interface object not there. Cannot instantiate the type iTest. That is next rule. Because to make this statement today, I stopped yesterday's class. So, rule 7 I am taking. Interfaces cannot be instantiated. Which means we cannot create objects for interfaces directly. Interfaces cannot be instantiated, which means we cannot create objects for interfaces directly. Interfaces directly. Then how, sir? Object not there, for method body not there. What we are going to do with this interface, sir? See. In your inheritance process, generally, whatever the practice you've done up to now, here also parent-child concept only here. Sir, in the inheritance chapter for us, one parent class, one child class. So we linked these two classes with extends. Extends. Then we created object for parent class or child class. Child class. So child class OB equal to new child class. Sir, in inheritance, we are creating objects for child, no sir. So when we are creating object for child here also no need to create object for parent. So you can link this class, you can link this interface to one class, you can link it. You can link it. I am trying to link to one class. Why means class is having object, no? Anyway. So class is having object. Class is having object. So you can link it. So whenever we want to link this interface to class here, we use a keyword known as what now? Implements. What is the keyword now? Implements. Now you can create object for child. Who is a child here now? I class OB equal to new I class. You can do. That also single inheritance only, no? Parent child relation. Here parent is interface. Okay, right. Right, the next step. Rule number 8. These interfaces must be implemented to classes using implements keyword, and the classes are known as implementation classes. These interfaces must be implemented to classes using implements keyword, and the classes are known as implementation classes. Known as implementation classes. So term. The term. So whenever we link this implementation class here, see there. Anyway, this object not available. This is error. Error. I am taking one class known as I class under P1. I am taking one class known as I class. I am taking that I class implements from I test. Whenever implements from I test, now one error came. The error is nothing but rule will be there. The rule. Once the class implemented from interface, the class has to take abstract methods and write the body. That's the rule. The class has to take abstract methods from interface and write the body. Not only here, error. Where is the body for M1? Sorry, display 1 and display 2. So what is the next coding rule now? Make it. These implementation classes must construct body for all abstract methods, of interface. These implementation classes must means coding rule, must construct body for all abstract method, not one or two. You have to take all and write the body. It's a rule. Construct the body for all abstract methods you should write. See there. Now, these methods are available here. Whenever we use implements, this method is available here. This method is available here. For that methods, we are writing the body. For this, we are writing the bodies. Whatever the method you given here, for this, we are writing the body. Whatever the method given here, we are writing the body. So, you must write the body. That is a rule. How many abstract methods are there? For all, you have to write the body. That's a rule of implementation. It has to write. So, take that methods and write the body. So, public void display one method. Another one is public void display two, one more method. Now, system.out.println. The term is, this term is implemented method. What is the term we are using now? Implemented method DIS1. Implemented method, the meaning is the method taken from interface and constructed the body. That we call it as an implemented method. It's a term. This implemented method can access that variable. Anyway, so system.out.println, the value k, it can print that k. The k is available now, it can print it. Implemented method is 2, right? Sir, just now you said no, sir, this is parent-child relation. Interface is parent and child is class. Whenever the parent-child relation, I am writing same method signature now, sir, here. Whatever the method signature available here, same method signature I am writing here. Where is this? I am writing here. Of course, I am not writing abstract keyword, but the same method signature I am writing. So, sir, this is overriding method. According to inheritance, it is overriding method. Overriding method. All of you understood this concept, right? There's an overriding method only according to inheritance. And moreover, according to interface, it is an implemented method. Took the method and returned the body. All of you understood this rule now, right? Okay. Sir, I want to add one method here. One extra method I want to add it. Void display 3. I want to add it. This method is non-overriding method. Non-overriding method. This is moreover non-implemented method. It is non-implemented method. Non-implemented means the method declared directly within the implementation class. We call it as non-implemented method. The statement now. Next rule is implementation classes can also be declared with non-implemented methods. Make a statement. Rule 10. These implementation classes can also be declared with non-implemented methods. Non-implemented methods. These implementation classes can also be declared with non-implemented methods. Non-implemented means non-overriding methods. So theory. So hope you understood, I think. So here, example program. Example, you can say P1 I'm taking itest.java. P1 I'm taking iClass.java. Now P2 I'm taking a demo interface 1.java. This is one main class. Now here I am creating object for I class OB equal to a new I class. This is implementation object. Implementation object. Using this OB, you can access display 1. Using that OB, you can access display 2. Using that OB, you can access display 3. Now we created object for implementation, not for interface. So many. Right. Run it, you'll get the answer. Right. For this program, let us draw one diagram because we want to know where interface is loaded. We want to know. So execution flow. Execution flow of above program class files. We had it. We are keeping one diagram here. Class files we are keeping. We took one application name. Interface application 1. After compilation, we are getting 3 .class files. One is itest.class file, iClass.class file, demo interface 1.class file. This is main class. bytecode. You can call it as compiled code. You know already, main class will come for execution. So because why I'm drawing this diagram is starting diagram, it looks like your JVM architecture look. So class loader subsystem. Right. Here we are sending main class only. Demo phase 1. Method area, heap area, Java stack area. Heap area, Java stack area. Now the main class loaded, main class main method will come for execution. Why I'm showing me the look is like your inheritance look only. So the main method will come for execution. In this main method, I class OB is equal to new I class. I class OB equal to new I class. Like inheritance, if you want to create object for I class, parent must be loaded first. Who is the parent here now? Sir, interface is the parent. I test. While interface loading, static members will get the memory. Who is static now? K. So K will get the memory. Sir, K got the memory in the interface. So what you observed here now? Sir, where class is loading, there only interface is loading. So interface and classes both are loaded to method area. Remaining two methods are non-static abstract methods. Display 1, non-static method. Display 2, non-static method. So memories are not available here. Once the interface loading has been completed, class will be loaded. Your class will be loaded. This is class. I class will loaded. So here to here, implements is there. So here I written overriding method display 1. And one more overriding method I written display 2, means implemented method. Non-overriding method I took display 3 like this. Now loading completed. Once the loading has been completed, object creation starts. Your object creation starts. Moreover, same like your inheritance, both look like a single component. The visibility is like single. It is a single class visibility. Whenever the links are there, visibility will be there. Now create object. You know the rules. While creating object means inheritance rule. Parent member should come down, right? Here parent member is display 1. Abstract method, that is body not there. So void display 1. Body not there. whenever this method detected here, immediately the algorithm will be looking for the body, because only interface will not come. Definitely body will be somewhere. Remember the statement what I'm speaking. Interface came means that abstract method body will be somewhere. So it will look into the implementation here. In implementation, body is available here now. So immediately it takes this method and overrides. Immediately it takes the method and overrides. It make it as an one method. It overrides void display one and body will come. All of you understood this statement? Body will come. When the first method came, body came. Now the second method will come now. What is the second method here now? Void display two. Void display two. Second method is coming. When the second method comes, immediately the algorithm will be looking for the body. Where is the body? So body will be in the implementation. Take that body. The body will come. Body. Right. All of you understood up to here? Right. Now, once the method is completed, it comes and look here. These two methods already binded. No, what is the pending method now? Display 3. It take as an display 3. Void display 3. Right. All of you understood this? Says or no to me? Here 2 points for you to be identified. One, like inheritance process, I am trying to create object for implementation, nothing but child. Interface loading, then implementation is loading. That's the first point to be identified. Where this interface will be loaded? The class is loading onto method area. There only interface is loading. Understood this point, right? In the process of object creation, it takes the abstract method from the interface and look for the body in the implementation. It takes that method and overrides. That's the concept. So finally, 3 methods available here. This is the interface nature or behavior of interface. All of you understood interface object? Okay. Now, up to here. So from now, if you take one interface, if you write one abstract method, the abstract method body is available in the implementation. Implementation rule is nothing but take that abstract method and write the body. Automatically it is a overriding method only. It's a concept. Okay. So hope you are clear up to now the rules. Now here. Sir, method scheme, variable scheme. Here methods abstract came. Abstract method body not available. To provide the body, that interface implemented to one class. The class took that method and returned the body. While object creation, the method will have a body. Right? Okay. After this, into the class, constructor scheme, no, sorry, here. Here, constructor scheme. After variables and methods, constructor scheme. Constructor statica, non-statica, non-static. This is non-static. Now blocks came into the classes. The blocks came. Blocks came in two forms. One is static, one is non-static. Non-static is instance. So rules. Here also constructors must come, no sir. Here also blocks must come, no sir. Right. Remember, these two are not available here. Up to now, constructors and blocks not entered into interfaces. Make a statement. Rule number 11. Rule number 11. One minute. Interfaces cannot be declared with constructors and blocks. And blocks. Bunches. So they are not available. Compilation error. If you try it, error will come. So grammar not available. Okay, right. In the coming years, it may enter. Up to now, not available. Up to now, not available. Right. Java language also still going on. Andy. Example, you take ourselves only, we people who are entered. I entered into Java by 2001, 2002, I entered. I attached to Java in this year. My trainer means not Amirpet trainer, college trainer. And that Amirpet not there. Amirpet is there, but Java don't know. In Amirpet, I am also C trainer. In 99, 2000, 2001, I am a C and C++ trainer. I am engineering third year on that day. Kukatpalli. I used to stay in Kukatpalli, JNT University. I used to come here and teach C and C++ classes for pocket money. Bus pass. On that day, bus pass amount is also not there. That life different. Interfaces cannot be declared with constructors and blocks. See there, on the day, our Java pattern. Class is there, interface is there, abstract class is there. In the class, concrete method with a body. Interface means abstract method without body. Abstract class means both. Concrete method, abstract. These are the options. First Java flavor this only. If you want all concrete methods, classes. If you want all abstract methods, interfaces. If you want a combination, that is abstract class. And that is a flavor. After that only remaining will come. Variable will come, variable will come, variable will come. Block came, block not available, block came. Constructor came, constructor not available, constructor came like this. Blocks and constructors not available in the interface. On the day we learned it. And we came out already. Years goes on. By 2014, Java 8 came. In Java 8, one point happened. That only. Into interface, concrete methods came. Now concrete methods are there in interface. That happened from Java 8 version only. It happened. From 1995 first product to Java 8 product, means up to Java 7. Interface will hold only abstract methods. Many engineers like me passed out by learning the same concept and came out. But by 2014, they brought one concrete method into interface. Why I'm making this statement now means today for you, block and constructor not available. After 10 years, it may be there. Understood? After 10 years, it may be there. Because research already going. Language means what? Daily will be there. Because of this, then student will ask us a question, sir. Some questions, Python based, .NET based, something they'll ask the questions. Whatever you take language as a carrier. You must take language as carrier. If we take language as carrier, language will not go. That will not go anywhere. Language will be language only. Using that language, remaining developments will happen. Tools will come, or any other APIs will come, any other gateway writings will come. But language always language only. So whenever student want to say that, I also, if anybody asks that question, I will, in open class, I will not say. I must not make any statement by standing on dais, never make. If anybody asks us outside, we'll say, you take any one carrier, but you take language as carrier. Language will not go. See, these many years, where Java will go? Java will not go anywhere, and it will be there only. Who are working on Java, they'll be working only. Java will be there. The engineer only retires. No, sir, enough. I earned till they'll come out. Java will be there only. So Java enhancement is going on. Daily one feature coming, no? Daily one version coming, no? Daily one gateway coming, API coming, tool coming. How the tools will come without language? Whenever one tool is running, sir, who written the tool? Somebody will say, sir, tools are very easy, sir. Tools are easy only. But one engineer written the tool, no? When he is writing that tool, he not used English language or Hindi language. He used coding language only. The coding language will be our language only, no? That only concept. Understood the statement? Sir, why don't you be a language developer? That only we suggested. So language enhancement is going on. Today not available. Interfaces cannot be declared with constructors and blocks. Compilation error if you try. In the coming years, they may enter. Understood the statement now? Suppose for today, if I try one block, here, this is block. Cannot be declared with initializer. Initializer means block only. I'll take one constructor. I'll take I test. Same name, no, first body. Cannot have constructor or not now. So constructors and blocks not available in the interfaces. Okay, right. Hope you understood the statement what I made to you. Right. Okay. Now, rule number 12. Who are seriously came to Amirpet to become a developer in Java? Catch the aim. Catch that aim. Bit late will be there. Patience must be there for Java. That much of easily carrier will not come. So patience is very important. And hard working also. Best results will come when the duration increases. We people example. Today for me tension is not there. No tension. Subject is there for me. I can survive. At any cost, I can survive. Even by writing a content for one website, also sitting at home, I can survive. Understood the statement? So that is the power of subject. Tension not there for me. If I am a tool learner, daily one tool will come. I must run. Language, no? Where it will go? One new version came means 5% change will come. I'll sit for 10 days, I'll learn that 5%. Over, no. New tool came suddenly. Again, I must run to Amirpet and come. New tools. Another tool came. Another tool came. For me, language, I don't know, sir. Then tension starts. Language means changes will not be there. 5 to 10% change only will be there. Because we ask the people, patience must be there to enter into languages. I'm not speaking about Java language. Any language domain you can take it. Survival will be there for a long period. Based on that languages only, tools will come, APIs will come. You can sit at home and work for API also, work for one website also, you can work it. Subject is there. That is language power. This language journey started from 95. Still, the versions are coming. Today also, recently also one version came, no? Daily one more version about to be released again. September one version is coming. So daily 6 months, one version is coming. Means what? Java, somebody is working in the research and development. He is not sleeping. He is looking into R&Ds. He is taking the papers from the universities. He is developing that algorithms into code forms. He is giving API, bringing into API, bringing that version and releasing. Daily research will not be stopped. Daily university PhD scholars will not be stopped. IEEE papers will not be stopped. Again, that all papers should be converted as an algorithms will not be stopped. The algorithms will come into API will not be stopped. That API will come as a package to your library will not be stopped. You also will not be stopped. Daily one engineer will come out for every college. It is a cyclic process. It is an ever-ending process. In that process, who catches the subject? He can survive for a long period. Who catches the subject? Sir, role can be anything. If subject is with me, role can be anything. I am a developer, mentor, I am working for other, whatever it may be. If subject is with me, that somewhere I can survive and come. Because based on that subject, somebody needs me, I can work and survive. That's called subject. This subject today, enhancement is going on. You are learning this subject today. You are learning interface. In that interface, variable entered, method entered without body, but block and constructor not entered. That's the information with you. Now look here. Sir, in the process of constructing a class, one class will take the features of another class. One class is taking the features of another class. Features means members. Class extension is there. The class is using the members of another class by creating object for child. Then here also, I want to use the features of another interface. I want to use the features of another interface. Make it. One interface can use the features of another interface using extends keyword. Using extends keyword. One interface can use the features of another interface using extends keyword. The meaning is interface to interface is extends keyword. That's a concept. Interface to interface is extends keyword. Now, here I am taking one small diagram like this. Here, one interface. I am taking one interface. I test one interface I'll take. I'll take one more interface here. I test 2, one interface I'll take. Interface to interface, what keyword I said now? Extends keyword is available. Extends. Here I'll take a variable sum x is equal to 10. Here I'll take the variable y is equal to 20. Here I'll take the method sum m1. I will take it. M1 is abstract. I'll take the method here M2, one abstract. Interface do not have objects, you know. So definitely interface must be implemented to class. It should be implemented to class. Implements. So it is implemented, implements. All of understood this? Implements. Now, once it is implemented here, this M1 from here to here, it is available here. From there, M1 will come here. Through extends, M1 is available here. Through implements, M1 will come here. So whenever M1 came here, we must write the body, no? Void M1, we must write the body. Anyway, because of implements, this M2 will come. You have to write the body. Right. If you see the diagram, so the diagram looks like multi-level inheritance. Yes or no? Na? These component members are available here. These component members are available here. The look is like multi-level. Multi-level inheritance model. The look is like multi-level inheritance model, right? Draw this diagram in the book. The structure is multi-level inheritance structure. Right. Let me type it and show coding. Right. Now, same program, I'll type it. Second program, see there. Interface application to interface application to. I'm taking one package, P1 and package P2. Under P1, I'm taking one interface, no? That is I test 1. I'm taking one more interface, I test 2, and one more class I'm taking, I class I'm taking. So public static final int x is equal to 10. That is variable. So public abstract void m1. This is one method. Extends from I test 1. Like this. Now, I class implements from I test 2. Automatically error will come because you have tried the body, no? But so here public void m1. So implemented method. Implemented method m1. System dot out dot println the value x is equal to plus x. I am printing y. Right, look here. This M1 method belongs to I test 1. Have you observed? Right. This M1 method body is here. This body can access X. This body can access Y. But actually, M1 belongs to parent. It should access parent members. It must not access child member. But M1 body not available here. Body available here. Body is coming from the child. So access coming. M1 method accessing Y, no? Have you observed? Right. Now create object for I class. Under P2. New class demo. Demo inheritance. Inheritance interface. Interface 2. So import P1 dot star. I class OB equal to new I class. Now OB dot M1, OB dot M2. So answer is coming. Here information through this program is interface to interface. We are using extends keyword, implements keyword, extends keyword. That point you have to observe it. One interface can have the features from another interface. Example P1 itest1.java P1 itest2.java P1 iClass.java P2 demo interface2.java, that is one main class. Right. So now after this one, by Java 8 version, newly concrete methods came. So rule number 13. From Java 8 version onwards, interfaces can be declared with concrete methods. Concrete methods. It can be declared with concrete methods. So concrete methods came into interface. Now make a siding separately. Concrete methods in interfaces. Java 8. Java 8. A new feature. The interfaces can be declared with the following concrete methods. The following concrete methods. Static concrete methods. Default concrete methods. Private concrete methods. Static concrete methods, default concrete methods, and private concrete methods. So static concrete method came by Java 8 version. It came by Java 8 version. Default concrete methods came by Java 8 version. Private concrete methods came by Java 9 version. That feature came by 9. Right. So let me update in the diagram once this concrete methods came. So in this diagram, here concrete methods came. Concrete methods. Concrete methods. Here. So in this concrete methods, we had static concrete methods, default concrete methods, private concrete methods. These are the method centered. This is a diagram I am going to paste to you. Comparison diagram, class and interface data comparison. So at last concrete methods came here. Class will hold only concrete methods, but interface can hold both abstract methods and concrete methods. Concrete method is a new concept. Now make a siding. Static concrete methods. The concrete methods within the interface, which are declared with static keyword. The concrete methods within the interface which are declared with static keyword are known as static concrete methods. The concrete methods within the interface which are declared with static keyword are known as static concrete methods. Coding rule. These static concrete methods will get the memory within the interface while interface loading and can be accessed with the interface name, but cannot be accessed with the implementation class, which means static concrete methods are not available to implementations. They are not available actually. Coding rule, I'll write all paragraph there only. Okay, right, make it. Static concrete methods will get the memory within the interface while interface loading and can be accessed with interface name. Static concrete methods will get the memory within the interface while interface loading and can be accessed with the interface name, but cannot be accessed with implementation, cannot be accessed with implementation classes, which means static concrete methods are not available to implementation classes. Means for implementation classes, permission not available. Other not given permission. Static concrete methods will get the memory within the interface while interface loading and can be accessed with interface name, but cannot be accessed with the implementation classes. Which means static concrete methods are not available to implementation classes. Simply overall statement is static concrete methods are not available to implementations. Implementations cannot access static concrete method. So theory. Now, opposite to static concrete, we had default concrete. The concrete methods within the interface, the concrete methods within the interface which are declared with default keyword are known as default concrete methods. The concrete methods within the interface which are declared with default keyword are known as default concrete methods. So quite opposite here. Coding rule. These default concrete methods will get the memory within the object of implementation classes and can be accessed with object names. This default concrete methods will get the memory within the object of implementation classes and can be accessed with the object names. These default concrete methods are non-static only, static not available. So private concrete methods. The concrete methods within the interface which are declared with private keyword are known as private concrete methods. These private concrete methods are introduced by Java 9 version and categorized into two types. Here, static, non-static. Static private concrete methods and non-static private concrete methods. Non-static private concrete methods. Coding rule. These private concrete methods are accessed only inside the interface, which means accessed by the non-private methods of same interface. Right. So this is the notes, actually, not explanation. Just I recorded the notes. For this, tomorrow I'll write the program. Tomorrow Saturday, no, right. First program I'll write this. After that, one small 10 minutes revision on interface. Then Two programs are pending. I'll write the solutions. Then I'll give the assignment on interface. That's the plan. So read the notes and come. Yesterday's notes, today's notes. Two assignments, I'll give the solution tomorrow. Tomorrow again, offline, online, separate. No, I don't think that Saturday, online, not there. Only that festival season, only that one. Okay, right. Online only, offline only. Okay, right. Tomorrow, what is the class for tomorrow? First 10-15 minutes program based on these rules. After that, two assignment solutions. One is references, one is inheritance. After that, I'll give assignment questions based on interfaces. That's for tomorrow's class. Take a break for today. So thank you very much for today.
మన దగ్గర వెంకట ఉంటుంది, ఎడ్మెంట్ వెంకట